Redis tutorial. How to use Redis. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to run through a piece of software called Redis. So if you are unfamiliar, Redis is an open source database system well known for its speed as well as its flexibility. So it is efficient as well as easy to use. It is used for various things like catching real-time analytics and managing data for web applications. It ensures quick data access, making applications much faster. Plus, it handles diverse data structures, scales quite easily, and offers real-time capabilities, which are crucial points for communication as well as analytics. Redis provides features such as the data replication, ensuring reliability and high availability for businesses that depend on consistent performance. So having a look at the interface over here, on the left hand side you have your toolbar, and what we can do here is we can actually open this toolbar like this. So the first thing on the toolbar on the left hand side is you have your subscriptions. So this is basically where you can manage all of your subscriptions. So if you are an organization or a data handling company, you can basically manage all of your clients within each one of these subscriptions over here. Having a look now again onto the left hand side, the databases. Now once we go into the database tab, you can see here that this is where you will manage all of your databases. So you have the database name as well as the ID. You also have the database subscription, which we just covered a few moments ago. And then you have an endpoint which you can just easily connect by tapping on that connect button. You can see your memory usage and then the capabilities over here. Of course, the capabilities, the Redis stack includes search and query, JSON, time series, probabilistics, triggers, and functions. And then you have obviously where your options will be, and that's basically what's going to happen with each one of these databases as you have more databases going down. You can now copy your database ID, you can copy the database name, the subscription name, and then you can open this up in a completely new tab if you want to open up maybe more than one database at a time. So you can have a bunch of different tabs over here, and then you can monitor your database just by tapping on monitor database. Over here, of course, you can see that there isn't much data in, but if you do, you'll see that all of these graphs are actually active and real time. You can also go ahead to the configuration, you can check that, and you can change a bunch of the settings in the configuration over here. Going down, such as the supported protocols, the advanced capabilities, the scalability, the durability and security. You can also manage your alerts, and then you can also manage the danger zone over here. So you can either import or delete your databases straight from here. Going back now to your toolbar, on the left hand side you have your data access control, and this basically is where you will manage all of your users. You'll also manage all of your users roles, and then the Redis ACLs. So this basically allows you to manage everyone right over here in the same place. So you have the full access, the read write, and then the read only, and you can enter in over there whomever you want on your team or in your organization to actually manage each one of these roles. On the left hand side now, back into the toolbar, we have the access management over here, and basically this is where you can manage your team in your organization. You have your API keys, and then you also have your single sign-on. So it is not enabled right now for this account, but you can set it up just in a matter of a few minutes. Over here now, under logs, you can actually manage your logs, so you can see everything that's happened on your system, and you can also tap on sessions here on the top, and you can see everything that's happened on each one of these sessions. So you can just click on any one of them, and it'll open up and you can see everything that has happened. You can now, on the toolbar on the left hand side, access your account settings, and over here basically you can change your account name, you can view your account number, you can see when your account was created and then when it was last updated. You also have a billing address over here, and then you have some security options which you can change, and then of course you can change your time zone as well. Going now down to usage report, you can see over here all of your memory usage as well as your shared usage. Right now it is not available. You can also just on the right hand side tap on the cost report and you can actually download that cost report. You can change the parameters over here from the view statement for time frame, your subscriptions, and then also the database that you're actually looking at. Then of course, if you need to set up your billing and your payments, you can go ahead over here. This will be all of your billing history, of course, your payment methods. This is where you can add a credit card or any other type of payment method, and this is where you can manage all of your credits or your coupons. So on the right hand side over here, you can see your account balance, and if you have a coupon or a credit code, you can go ahead and you can tap it in over there and you can tap on apply. Looking now at your download center, this is basically where you can connect a bunch of apps within Redis. So if you're looking to download some integrations, you can go ahead and you can download it straight from over here. And then of course you have their help center and their support. If you're looking to read through some articles as to how to use the software in a more detailed framework, then this is somewhere that you can access that. Or if you are experiencing any issues or problems, if you have any queries that you would like to take up with the team, you can go ahead and you can find it in this support center over here. We also have the What's New tab, so if they have any features coming up, any updates coming up, then the What's New tab, that basically is where you will find all of that. And then we have the documentation, and this is basically all of your documentation within your account. And that is the basis of using Redis. And once you start actually collecting data, you can start organizing it right over here in your databases, and you can actually start using the data to your advantage. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.